Welcome to Best Home Remedies. Today, we will discuss about the 28 healthy snacks that can help you lose weight. You may wonder if it's possible to lose weight while not giving up snacks. If you choose healthy, whole food options with a lot of protein and nutrients, snacks can be integral to weight loss. Some can even help keep you full throughout the day and limit your cravings for unhealthy foods. Here are 28 healthy, weight loss-friendly snacks to add to your diet. 1. Mixed nuts. Nuts are an ideal nutritious snack. They're linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and may help prevent certain cancers, depression, and other illnesses. Despite being relatively high in fat, they are very filling. Several studies suggest that eating nuts in moderation can help you lose weight. Nuts provide the perfect balance of healthy fat, protein, and fiber. They contain 180 calories in a 1 ounce, 28 gram, serving, on average. Because they don't require refrigeration, they're perfect for taking on the go. 2. Red bell pepper with guacamole. Red bell peppers are extremely healthy. Although all bell peppers are nutritious, red varieties are particularly high in antioxidants like beta-carotene, capsanthin, and quercetin. They are also rich in vitamin C. In fact, one large red bell pepper contains over 300% of the daily value, DV, for this nutrient. Pairing one large red bell pepper with 3 ounces, 85 grams, of guacamole adds healthy fat and fiber while keeping this snack's calorie count under 200. 3. Greek yogurt and mixed berries. Plain Greek yogurt and berries make a delicious, nutrient-dense snack. In addition to being a great source of calcium and potassium, Greek yogurt is also high in protein. Berries are one of the best sources of antioxidants around. Eat a mixture of differently colored berries to get an array of these powerful compounds. Combining 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, of plain, full-fat Greek yogurt with 1/2 cup, 50 grams, of mixed berries provides about 10 grams of protein and under 150 calories. 4. Apple slices with peanut butter. Apples and peanut butter taste fantastic together. Apples are high in fiber and polyphenol antioxidants that improve gut health and reduce heart disease risk. Peanut butter may have additional benefits for heart health. It has been shown to increase HDL, good, cholesterol and reduce LDL, bad, cholesterol and triglycerides. That said, peanut butter is fairly high in calories. Although it generally hasn't been linked to weight gain, it's best consumed in moderation. A medium apple with 1 tablespoon, 15 grams, of natural peanut butter provides a nice balance of sweet flavor with crisp and creamy textures at under 200 calories. 5. Cottage cheese with flax seeds and cinnamon. Cottage cheese, flax seeds, and cinnamon each have impressive health benefits. Together, they're incredibly healthy. Cottage cheese is high in protein and very filling, and full-fat varieties boast conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, a fatty acid linked to health benefits. Flax seeds are beneficial for weight loss and blood sugar control. They may also reduce breast cancer risk. Cinnamon helps lower blood sugar and may improve gut health. 6. Celery sticks with cream cheese. Celery sticks with cream cheese are a classic low-carb, filling snack. Celery contains luteolin, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation and may help prevent cancer. 5 small celery sticks with 2 ounces, 60 grams, of cream cheese harbors fewer than 200 calories. 7. Kale chips. Kale is incredibly healthy, as it's loaded with fiber and antioxidants like quercetin and kaempferol. These compounds decrease blood pressure and may reduce your risk of colon cancer. A 1 cup, 67 gram, serving of raw kale provides more than 100% of the DV for vitamins A, C, and K. 8. Dark chocolate and almonds. Dark chocolate and almonds make a rich, satisfying, and portable snack. Dark chocolate is loaded with flavonols that may lower blood pressure and reduce heart disease risk, provided the chocolate contains at least 70% cocoa solids. Almonds are high in heart-healthy monounsaturated fat and have beneficial effects on blood sugar control. Studies also show that they can reduce appetite and help you lose weight. Both dark chocolate and almonds are high in magnesium. 1 ounce, 30 grams, of each provides about 300 calories in total, depending on cocoa content. 9. Cucumber slices with hummus. Cucumber and hummus go well together. Cucumbers contain cucurbitacin E, a compound that may have anti-cancer effects. Hummus is made from chickpeas, olive oil, and garlic, which reduce inflammation and may improve heart health. 1 cup, 52 grams, of sliced cucumbers dipped in 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, of hummus has about 180 calories. 10. A piece of fruit. Healthy snacks don't need to be complicated. Just a single piece of fruit can be incredibly satisfying. Portable, easy-to-eat fruits include bananas, apples, pears, grapes, grapefruit, and oranges. 11. Cherry tomatoes with mozzarella. Tomatoes and mozzarella cheese are a flavor match made in heaven, and they're healthy, too. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, potassium, and lycopene, an antioxidant that may reduce your risk of cancer and heart disease. Mozzarella is high in protein, calcium and vitamin B12. It may also decrease heart disease risk by raising your levels of HDL, good cholesterol. 1 cup, 149 grams, of cherry tomatoes paired with 2 ounces, 60 grams, of mozzarella cheese has under 200 calories. 12. Chia pudding. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber and can be included in all types of diets, including vegan and ketogenic diets. They're also high in antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Although they don't have much flavor, chia seeds do take on an interesting, jelly-like consistency when soaked in liquid. This snack has fewer than 200 calories. 13. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are one of the healthiest and most weight loss-friendly foods you can eat. They pack plenty of protein, as well as vitamins K2 and B12. Eggs are incredibly filling and may reduce the number of calories you eat for many hours, which should help you lose weight. Although their high cholesterol content gave them a bad reputation for years, more recent studies suggest that moderate egg intake doesn't have any effect on your risk of heart disease. 2 large, hard-boiled eggs contain about 140 calories and 13 grams of protein. 14. Baby carrots with blue cheese dressing. Carrots are among the best sources of carotenoids, including beta-carotene, which your body can convert into vitamin A. The carotenoids in carrots may reduce your risk of cancer, heart disease, and cataracts. It's a good idea to pair carrots with a creamy salad dressing or dip because fat increases your absorption of carotenoids. A 3.5 ounce, 100 gram, serving of baby carrots with 2 tablespoons, 30 grams, of blue cheese dressing provides about 200 calories. 15. A piece of cheese. Cheese is a delicious food that's filling enough to be a snack on its own. Although cheese is high in saturated fat, its role in heart disease is unclear. Some studies suggest that saturated fat doesn't raise your risk of heart disease. Additionally, studies show that up to 2 servings of cheese per day don't raise LDL, bad cholesterol levels, even in people with elevated levels. A 2 ounce, 60 gram, serving of cheese provides about 14 grams of protein and 200 calories. 16. Healthy beef jerky or beef sticks. Beef jerky or beef sticks make great high-protein, portable snacks. That said, it's important to choose the right type. Some jerkies are loaded with sugar and preservatives. Beef sticks generally don't contain sugar, but many are made from low-quality meat and contain other questionable ingredients. Look for jerky and beef sticks made from grass-fed beef, with as few added ingredients as possible. Grass-fed beef contains more healthy omega-3 fatty acids than grain-fed beef. Most beef jerkies and sticks contain about 7 grams of protein per ounce, 28 grams. 17. Whey protein shake. A whey protein shake is a good snack when you need something substantial until your next meal. Studies show that whey protein can help you gain muscle, lose fat, and improve body composition. Many great whey protein supplements are available online. Look for types without added sugar. 18. Canned salmon or sardines. Canned fish is a fantastic, healthy snack that requires no refrigeration. Salmon and sardines are extremely high in omega-3 fatty acids that decrease your risk of heart disease and other health problems. Fish is also a great source of weight loss-friendly protein, potassium, and vitamin B12. Many types of fish are also high in magnesium. A 3.5-ounce, 100-gram, serving of salmon or sardines contains 17 to 23 grams of protein and 130 to 180 calories. 19. Edamame. Edamame is a dish of steamed unripened soybeans. It's a great snack for vegetarians or anyone who enjoys their unique flavor and texture. Edamame is rich in the antioxidant kaempferol, which has been shown to cause weight loss and lower blood sugar in animal studies. It is also high in folate and several minerals, including iron, magnesium, and manganese. 1 cup, 155 grams, of edamame has around 17 grams of protein and 180 calories. 20. Marinated artichoke hearts. Marinated artichoke hearts are delicious and nutrient-dense. They're a good source of fiber, vitamin K1, and folate. Studies suggest that artichokes help protect the cells lining your arteries and contain prebiotic fibers that nourish the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A 3.5-ounce, 100-gram, serving of artichoke hearts marinated in olive oil contains about 190 calories. 21. Pear slices with ricotta cheese. Pear slices and ricotta cheese make a satisfying snack with a sweet taste and creamy texture. Pears, especially the peels, contain polyphenol antioxidants that have strong anti-inflammatory properties. Ricotta cheese is rich in protein and calcium. In a 12-week study, older adults who consumed 7 ounces, 210 grams, of ricotta cheese daily experienced improvements in muscle mass and strength. A 3.5-ounce, 100-gram, serving of ricotta cheese with 1 small, chopped pear provides about 12 grams of protein and 250 calories. 22. Dried unsweetened coconut. Dried coconut is tasty, filling, and portable. It's high in fat, including medium-chain fats that may increase metabolism, promote weight loss, and improve brain function in people with impaired memory. Make sure to get the unsweetened type, since many packaged options harbor sugar. Unsweetened dried coconut packs about 185 calories in 1 ounce, 28 grams. A wide variety of dried, unsweetened coconut is available online. 23. Turkey roll-ups. Turkey roll-ups are delicious and nutritious. Turkey contains high-quality protein, which helps you feel satisfied, preserves muscle mass, and burns more calories during digestion than fat or carbs. 24. Olives. Olives are one of the nutritious staples of the Mediterranean diet. They are very high in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and provide powerful antioxidants like oleuropein. The plant compounds in olives may reduce inflammation, insulin resistance, and cancer risk. Depending on their size, 25 green or black olives have 100 to 175 calories. 25. Spicy avocado. Avocados are among the most nutritious and satisfying foods on the planet. Studies show that they can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, improve symptoms of arthritis, and protect your skin from sun damage. What's more, avocados are high in fiber, potassium, magnesium, and monounsaturated fat. Sprinkle half a medium avocado with salt and a dash of cayenne pepper for a savory, filling snack with around 130 calories. 26. Ricotta cheese with cocoa powder. Ricotta cheese is as versatile as it is healthy. It can be combined with vegetables and fruits or baked into a casserole or cheesecake. It also works great on its own, with just a touch of added flavor. Here's a quick recipe for a satisfying snack with 14 grams of protein and about 200 calories. 27. Sun-dried tomatoes. Sun-dried tomatoes contain more lycopene than regular tomatoes. What's more, they are usually packed in olive oil, which helps your body absorb more of their lycopene. A 3.5-ounce, 100-gram, serving of sun-dried tomatoes packed in oil provides 170% of the DV for vitamin C and just over 200 calories. 28. Cantaloupe slices wrapped in prosciutto. Cantaloupe is a nutritious, tasty fruit. It boasts powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation, keep your eyes healthy, and reduce your risk of disease. Very high in vitamins A and C, cantaloupe is also a good source of potassium. Combining cantaloupe with prosciutto, dry cured ham, creates a balanced, sweet and salty snack for under 200 calories. Try cutting 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, of cantaloupe into wedges. Wrap each wedge with 1 slice of prosciutto. These are the 28 health snacks that will help you lose weight. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more videos.